In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in the Monzo app. Keeping your email up to date is important because it's where you'll receive account notifications, security alerts, and essential updates from your bank. Before we begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection and that you know the exact spelling of the new email you want to use. A small typo can mean missing important messages. Start by opening the Monzo app on your phone. If your device uses a passcode, fingerprint, or face recognition for security, unlock the app as you normally would. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for your profile icon. This is usually a small avatar or your initials, and tapping it takes you to your account settings and personal information. From there, select your personal account. If you have multiple accounts, such as a joint or business account, make sure you're choosing your personal one so you can access the right details for this change. After you've selected it, you'll see a page that shows your personal details. This is where your name, contact information, and other key settings live, including the email address currently linked to your Monzo profile. Find your email address on this page and tap it. This will open a field where you can edit your information. Carefully type in your new email address. Take a moment to double check it for accuracy, confirm the domain is correct, and that there aren't any extra spaces or characters. Using an email you can actively access is essential, since Monzo may send you updates or security prompts related to this change. Once you're confident everything is correct, save the changes. The app will update your details, and your new email address will be associated with your Monzo account. In some cases, you might see a prompt asking you to confirm the change or verify your new address, which is normal for security. Keep an eye on your inbox just in case. That's all there is to it. Your Monzo email address is now updated. If you don't see the profile icon where you expect it, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. If you run into an error message, try closing and reopening the app or checking your connection. And as a best practice, never share security codes or sensitive information with anyone. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your details quickly and confidently.